Sir, help us.
Okay, please calm down. Sit here. Yes, and tell what happened with you.
Sir, someone stolen our bag.
Okay.
What okay? Our bag has stolen and you say okay.
Sir, this is my duty. Please calm down.
I want to meet your senior.
Okay, sir, please wait. I call my senior.
Yeah, hello sir, what happened?
Sir, someone want to meet you.
Okay, who's that?
Sir, they are looking like a children.
Looking like children. Okay, I'm coming. So, call Abhijit and Daya and I'm on.
Okay, sir, I'll call. Hello, Abhijit sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. ACP sir want to meet you.
Okay, we are coming.
Okay.
What happened with you?
Sir, our bag has stolen.
What is in the bag?
Sir, important documents in this bag. So please help us.
Okay, so do you suspect anyone?
We suspect on Smile.
Okay. So,
Why are you smiling?
because you say?
Sir, Smile is the name.
Now you can go. We will try our best to find your bag.
Sir, I sent some office and to get their smile.
Okay, Daya.
Daya, something is wrong there. Something is wrong.
Sir, smile has come.
It's too fast.
Sir, smile lives in near our office.
Okay, Abhijit, ask some question to Smile.
Yes, Smile, come here and sit. Yes. Why have you stolen the bag of Rihan, Farman and Tehseen?
Bag? Sir, I have not stolen any bag.
But Rihan and Farman said your name.
Rehan? Sir, I am not a thief.
Sir, can I try? No.
Yes, you can try.
Okay, sir, can you please give the phone?
Yeah, you can.
No, I don't want to see these photos.
Please.
So, take away
Tell
from
the truth. Tell the truth.
Take away from me.
Tell the truth.
Okay, I have stolen Rehan Farman's bag
Why you stolen the bag?
because they have stolen my mother last sign and
Don't cry.
and my mother is dead.
Don't cry.
Okay, don't cry, bro. We will try our best to find your mother last sign.
And sir,
Yes,
just go and check the criminal records of Rihan, Farman and Tehseen.
Okay, sir, I'll try. Sir, Rihan, Farman and Tehseen.
Yes. And sir, do fast.
Sir, 1 minute file is downloading.
We have not much time.
Sir, only 1 minute file is almost downloaded. Sir, file is downloaded.
Okay, answer. What is there in the file?
Sir, according to file say Rihan, Farman and Tehseen are the professional drug dealers.
Yes, I knew it. I told you all that something was wrong. Why am I so smart? I don't know. Okay.
Sir, let's play a game with Rihan, Farman and Tehseen.
Okay, so bring me Rihan, Farman and Tehseen bags. I want to see what is there in the bag.
Sir, I'll call Rihan, Farman and Tehseen. Can I call?
Yes, you can.
Okay, sir. Hello?
Hello?
We found your bag. You can go.
Okay, sir, we can. I think CID officer suspect on us.
So here is your bag. Is it your bag?
Yes.
Okay, so take it.
Yes.
Okay, check the document. Check your important document. All is correct or not? Yes, all is correct. No, wait a minute.
Sir, can I go now?
Wait, prison is waiting for you.
Sir, what?
Yes.
Yeah, you listen right. Because there is 100 kg drugs in your bag.
Sir, sorry, sir, please leave me.
No. You make a big mistake. Drug is illegal in our country.
Okay, so tell me that why are you stealing this type of drugs?
Because from money.
Okay, so now your new home is waiting for you. Answer.
Okay. Why you stuck smile in this case?
Because we have a fighting of it.
You know this is illegal in our
I-
country.
Yes, I know, but we want money for our studies.
Oh, where is the smile?
Where is smile? Smile.
Smile. Come.
Smile. Please come.
Give her mother last. Give
Give our mother last sign.
Last sign of his mother. Give him. He's crying.
We don't know where is mother last sign.
You stole my mother last sign.
I give you the script.
Give them. In this. Check this pocket. Check another.
Anything.
Is there your mother last sign?
Yes, sir.
I want to see your last sign of your mother.
Please fast.
Sir, this is the last sign of my mother.
Okay.
Very nice.
This is nice. So now you can go.
Okay, sir.
And answer.
Yes, sir.
Put them into the prison.
Sir, for lifetime or Fasi?
As your wish.
Sir, sorry, sir. Please leave us.
No.
Sir, I think they are the children. We could not give the lifetime.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll give them Fasi as your wish.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Abhijit sir.
Okay.
Abhijit sir.
Come in the prison.
Abhijit sir.
Come. Sudden.